Hey guys, welcome back to Suji's cookbook. Today I am going to show an easy recipe with rice, that is lemon rice. Let's go with ingredients. Here I am taking boiled rice, groundnuts, salt, grated carrot, pepper, lemon juice, hing, dry red chillies, green chillies, mustard seeds, zeera, turmeric and chana dal. Let's go with cooking procedure. Take a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add mustard seeds, and then chana dal and groundnuts. Fry this for a minute. And add green chillies, and now add half a teaspoon of turmeric, and now add zeera, and hing, and curry leaves. Fry this for a minute. And finally, add 3 to 4 dry red chillies. Fry it well. Now switch off the flame and keep it aside. In this, add 1 cup of lemon juice. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix this well. And now I am adding this tampering mixture into this boiled rice. Give a good mix to all the rice are well coated with this tampering mixture. And sprinkle some black pepper. And finally add this grated carrot into it. Now transfer this lemon rice into a serving bowl. Our lemon rice is ready. If you like my video, please like and comment below, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.